Hey. Good morning, everybody.
How you going? We got roosters and drop bears.
Steve-o.
How you going, mate?
Yo, yo.
Tony. So, tell us what we're doing today.
I'm getting all gnarly. Having a crack, eh?
Having a crack.
Yeah.
Right, I tell you, this fella, Mr. Man Bike Swag. See, I got his shirt on today. I got your shirt on today on purpose, Scotty, because we come out here to do your track, your border range track that you went down the gnarly ride with Andrew. I'll put a link to that in the description. Little picture up here somewhere, that side. And he said it's hella gnarly, and probably only professional rider will get up that. So we're actually going to go the other way, just as a bigger challenge, and we're going up his gnarly track to see if we can do it. And he said he'd pay money to see this, so I'll send him the bill for the video when we're done. And let's hope we make it up there. It's going to be pretty bad, or I just won't put this video out. Like it never happened.
We're going to check out the other water hole before we go for a ride.
Oh, we're going to check out a water hole before we go for a ride.
Yeah.
Someone decided to leave their Hans super dry there. Good on them. Today we've opted for the small bikes. A couple of reasons. We're going to go and do a little bit of looking around the place and see if we can find any other tracks while we're in here, and then we'll just come back to here. So here we go, but here's the swimming hole. Bok tong. Don't do dum-dum stuff. The rope swing's got danger tape on the bottom of it. Yeah, I can actually see the bottom right there underneath the rope, and it's all rocky. If you, if you could get out there, you'd be all right. Everybody, well, I got new gloves on. I destroyed my gloves last time at Gap Creek, ripped them all down here and there, and the thumbs are all busted, so I have camera on the back today. Wonder how cool that's going to be. We'll see. And we're off. I don't know where everyone went. Gathering we went this way. Well, so far this track's hella rocky. Pretty sure I remember doing this track a few years ago. And yeah, I think I remember it being this rocky too. There is still a little bit of dust around, but not much. Staying a little bit back. Just because I don't want to copy dust. Better catch up a bit, I suppose. I might conserve some battery here, so I have plenty for the crazy hills. I'll come back on when it gets gnarly.
Somerset Dam.
Beacon View. We've just turned off the main road sort of track, and now we're on to, I think this is a section of Beacons Road or something. But yeah, just started to go down the other side of the hill. It looked a bit crazy when we looked at it at the top, but I think it zigzags, so it should be pretty fine. A little bit of gnarly stuff, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Gonna have a bit of a look. Follow a knobby, and we've got Captain Adventure behind us. We've got to do a couple of turns down here, so we won't put Captain Adventure in front of us because he's so happy about riding. He will just keep going, and Probably not stop till he hits China or the edge of Australia. Oop, got a turn here. Second one in apparently, maybe. Woo! Woo! Here he comes.
I think he's waiting for the dust to settle.
I can still hear engine noise, he's on it. Yeah, nice. Next little hill climb. Oh yeah, it's one of those crazy tracks. This is apparently a little bit gnarly. We'll go check it out. A little bit steep. I know Captain Adventure's somewhere behind us. Whoa! Ew! Oh, I've got to slow down a bit more. Looks a bit hectic to get back up. We had to. All doable though, I suppose. It's a little bit crazy. I'm sliding all the way. Now this starts to get a bit funny. Better not get too close to Nobby here. He's just locked it up all the way. Crazy fucker. We'll just plug down here a little bit slower, I think. Whoa! No. Comes Captain Adventure. It's pretty tight. It's pretty crazy. Steep as shit. Be pretty hectic to actually go back up, I reckon. I'm just sliding like Steve. Oh, there's a lot of front brake in this. As much as I dare on this, I just got to put the wheel in that rut so I can put a bit more brake on it. It won't pop out. Geez, I hope we don't have to go back up that. That'd be a bit crazy. Slippery. This might be one of those tracks that we go down and we can't get back out of. We get stuck in here all day. This is I don't know how steep this looks to you guys, but I'm telling you now, it's hectic steep. It'd be hard to get back up. It's so slippery, it's so loose. Whoa, let the front brake off there. Whoa, losing the front end. Oh, and the back end. Holy moly, mother of Joseph. Slippery if we have to go back up there.
Oh yeah.
Everything's so slippery, you'd have to hit it at pace the whole way.
Yeah. You only get a little bit of reprieve just at the top of each woo boy to give it again. I was stalling all the way down because I was trying to go too slow.
I saw that. I had to pull my weight finger a bit. Comes Captain Adventure.
Woo! He looks a bit concerned.
Hey, Tony. We go back up now.
Okay. Are we?
Well, I mean, these, yeah, we'll see how we go. We might have to, eh?
That's pretty crazy steep. I don't know what his plan is from here.
You coming?
That's my line, people. Oh shit. Well, fudge that up straight away.
Exactly what I did. You right?
Get this line back. Alright, get back in the rut. You. Now it's sit down time.
Good to go, Tane. Yeah, Tiny.
Next hill climb. Whoa. Whoop. This one's pretty easy so far. Holy shit.
Let's have a crack, eh?
Oh, he's up the next bit. Come on, pigs. Bitch. Left hand side of Steve. Whoa.
I think we're gonna have to help each other here, eh?
You're probably right.
We haven't got a strap or something so I can give you a bit of a pull up the hill so you don't flip it. If we get you up on that ledge there, you'll be fine.
Oh, I'll be fine.
I got front brakes on.
Right, I'm going to pull it over into here. Ready?
Keep going.
One more.
Yeah, you got him. Righty, let's do it.
Whoa! This is a bit. No, we'll have to pull it up. Alright.
Once we'll get your front wheel up here first, eh?
Yeah, copy.
Because then once you get to there, we can relocate.
Ideal. Oh.
And we're not even at Scotty's hill yet.
once I get on top of that shitty rock there, I'll be right on my own like you did. So.
Fucking glad we didn't bring the big box in here.
Imagine that. I would have had a go too. I would have kept skidding down that hill and then we've got a world of pain, eh?
This is the loop track of hell right here. There's a big rock hop, and down there's all loose as hell, and then where those guys are, it's loose as shit, and Tony's stuck all the way down there, and Steve and I just had to pull our bikes all the way up. It was we got to about here, and then we had to pull them up this rock face because it was just too slippery.
Tony, how are you liking today so far?
Fucking, it was really nice until we got to this little slope.
Simo's gone for a ride ahead to see what's ahead of us. We've got Tony's from there to here. And we've got to get that yet.
And we can't even stand on the hill.
Loving it.
Well, Scotty, we're not even at your hill yet, mate, and we're at a slight detour we made, and I think this hill, shit man, if your hill's worse than this one, Steve and I just had to pull our bikes up. If your hill's worse than that, we're in for some epic fun.
All right, Steve's gone down to help Tony up the hill, who's stuck right at the very bottom, in a bit of a rut or something. And they've sent me ahead to have a look at how crazy it gets, because apparently we've only been up 5 bars so far of the on the topographical map, and there's 8 more to go. So if this gets any gnarlier than that, oh my god. They sent me up here to have a look to see how crazy it's going to get. Far out, that does not look good. Holy shit. Whoa. I mean, it's hectic, but probably doable. Shouldn't have stopped. Do not get on that side of that tree. Yeah, it's reasonably ridiculous. I wonder without weight on it, will I get up? Sometimes you can. I probably should just go back down, hit it again. Send it! Wonder if we can ride it out of here. Ah, well, a little bit at a time. I'll get it up there. All right, excuse the huffing and puffing. That's the last shitty bit. We're up that hectic shit. That was a bit slippery. This looks slippery. Do I walk back down and just help them along the way? At least one bike will be up there then. Whoop. Did not get on the pegs, did not get enough speed. Dum-dummed it. Well, see a cool line up there. If you can get on it. And getting rid of things like this. Chicken out track. No. Whoa, nice catch. Nice catch. Oh, I'm over. Nice. Now the trick is here, not to fall back down there. That looks all right. This bit's a bit shit. Alrighty, I'm at the top of this section, and you saw back there, it goes straight back down, steep as hell, which means we're going to go back up the other side again. So I'm going to go back down the hill. I'm actually going to walk down so I can help Tony and Steve up. So there's one bike up here and not through. Well, yeah, I can only help 2 bikes up. We don't have to pull mine back up. Even though I got up here by myself, only sort of got caught up twice, but managed to make it. Still pretty steep though. Doesn't give it justice. I mean, obviously that's only one little section. All right, let's walk back down and see if we can find the boys. I've got a tow rope in my backpack. See if we can get them up here. Got the tow rope. I've walked back down the hills. I'm back at Steve's bike. This is actually a camera on Steve's bike. And we're gonna go and pull Tony up the hill and then go up the rest of those crazy ass hills.
I can see me.
I can see me. All right, here we go. We'll give it a shot, eh? I'm just going to end up where I end up, I think, eh?
Attempt number 1 at this crazy hill. Let's do this. Okay, that's what afraid was going to happen. Yeah, a little bit.
Could have gone a bit more better than that, eh? You're back here, just split in.
That's the problem, getting in the bloody rough. You gotta get this fire a bit quicker.
Fuck this.
It's a bit fucked. You could try this side.
Watch out, Simo, I'm coming your way, mate.
Oh, he's in the gnarly rut. No chain. Spun your chain off.
No one's got tools, eh?
Nope, but we should be able to get it back on, as long as you haven't wrapped it around shit. But it sounds like you haven't. Here we go. Stay in the rut, stay in the rut, stay in. Oh no, he clutched it. No. Yeah, I thought you had that.
Hey, you're not going to get anywhere in that route. Too soft, Tony, there, eh?
You're better off going back and having another go. Oh no, he's offline already. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoopsie. Come on, get in that rut, Tony. Get in that rut. Come on, stay in it, stay in it, stay in it. Yes! Uh-oh, ruh-roh. That was the best backwards action I've seen.
I looked away for a minute and thought, oh, he's keeping going. I thought he was going to pull up.
I've never seen anyone run. Here we go. Hill number 3 for Steve. Or is it number 4? Let's do this.
Near the throat, old Alan Reineman says, eh?
You right with that there?
Yeah, it's like heaped over, it's all good. What do you reckon? Straight up, Tane?
Traction.
Attraction.
You'll get some great traction and you just fucking fly up the hill. It looks gnarly, but right in the middle.
Just basically highway.
All right, here we go, here we go. It's Tony. Go Steve. Come on, Tony, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. We're just trying to get Tony up this next hill. We've got Steve up there. Ooh. Keep it going, boys. It's probably too many Indians on this one. Whoa!
What do they say on that one? Up is up.
Up is up. Up is up.
I need momentum, but I'll push
Steve's just eating shit. Paddle steam up the guts, man. Up the guts. Whoa. A little bit offline there. We've got the magic rope just in case.
I might have to throw that rope on.
Alright. I'm going to go and put this camera up here and I'll help pull or push. But,
I don't think it's going to be very exciting filming.
oh, this is great filming.
You got a bit more swearing from me on the last one.
Oh, a few more naughty words. I think it's probably good for a few more naughty words because I don't know if you can see this, but you got to miss this and this rock hop and somehow get up here or up that line, but and then up those rocks. It's pretty steep. I know what it looks like on the camera, but I'm just trying to balance to even get up here. Probably if I had one of those 360 sticks. But about here somewhere, I should be able to pull with the rope. All right, I'm going to put the camera over here and see if I can get some footage. Oh, I touched it. Oh, that's all right, I'll come off this rock. Now this time, wait till I get fucking bedded. All right, I'm going to get myself some traction. Don't go back anymore.
Fucking wow. Look at these mad roosters.
All right, just gonna fucking power up this thing. First gear for beginners. What is on my boot? Hang on, go wait for Tony. We are going down Hectic Hill. Turn my back camera on, see if I can get Tony. Oh, what have we got? Nice work. That looks good. Except for that big rock. Just fucking throttle it. I'm not getting stuck on a hill. If in doubt, throttle out. Oh, I gotta sit down for a bit. We're all a bit buggered from those crazy hills. That's mental. Oh, nice. Wow, that's cool. Oh, make a good decision.
There's beers waiting.
All right, we have a way out, so we're going to go left, and we're going to go still check out Scotty's track and see if it's as gnarly as the shit we were just doing.
Basically highway.
But well, that's basically high compared to what we just did. I mean, it's taken us. When did we leave there? 9.
We've done 27.1 k's in 4 hours.
27 k's in 4 hours.
See?
That's not cool.
See where we are? That's the loop we done. This little track here, from that dot back to here, is the gorge break.